In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable your catalog products. Start by going to your product section, then click Select Catalog. Here is where you can manage all of your catalogs. To enable your catalog products, simply select them from this screen. You'll also see a preview on how many products will be enabled. Don't want to import everything from the catalog? No problem. Click Select next to the catalog name to choose your specific brands. As the default, all brands from the catalog are selected. You can undo this by clicking Deselect All. Now you can go ahead and select just the brands of your choice. Hit OK, then save. And that's it. You've now enabled your catalog products on DecoNetwork. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.